it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have my FabFitFun mystery bags as well as my add-ons. So we're going to hop right to it. Of course, you guys know I am an annual subscriber to FabFitFun, and they do offer when the box come out for you to do add-ons, and they offer mystery bags. So I generally get the regular mystery bag, and this time they offered 2 additional mystery bags. So there's a summer mystery bag, and there's also a summer skincare bundle mystery bag. So I have all 3 of these guys here that we're going to unbox. I also did a few add-ons, and I'm just going to hit the add-ons for you guys really quick, and then we'll get right into the mystery bags because I didn't pick up that much, but you know. So guys, my first add-on is going to be the Korres body wash. This is one of my faves. I've been using this even before they started offering this in FabFitFun. I was picking it up through HSN, and I love these products by Korres. Korres makes really great products. If you have not tried one of their body washes, please do. So I picked this up on the sale. The add-on, this one was $6.30 as an add-on, so that's pretty cool. And this is the renewing body cleanser here that I have, and this is in the scent. What scent is this? Is it Santorini Grape? I believe it's Santorini Grape is the scent. Yes, that's the scent. So this is 8.5 fluid ounces. So guys, if you haven't used it, you should try it. I love the way it leaves my skin. It feels nice and soft and clean. No dryness. So I think that's awesome. My next add-on. So guys, I also picked up this fitness tracker. I've been trying to find like a cheap one to just replace. I used to have a Fitbit, but I kind of fell out of love with Fitbit when my Fitbit died after like a little over a year. So I was like, I'm not spending any more money on Fitbit and these fitness trackers. I need something very inexpensive. So I decided to pick up this fitness activity tracker. So this here was made by ZFit for HR activity and heart rate tracker. It costs $19.99. I picked this up as an add-on with the FabFitFun sale. So it does activity tracking, heart rate, and you can get notifications on here, and they have an app that you just connect to your phone, and then you're all set to go. So I thought this would be great. Summertime, I need to do some more walking, some exercise, get some vitamin D, all that jazz. So I picked this up. And my very last add-on that I picked up through the FabFitFun sale is I picked up the Z Gallery Multi-Storage Duo, and I'm going to take it out the box. This was one of the offerings that you could have chose, or you could just had it add on for a few dollars more. So that is what I decided to do, and I'm going to pull it out here. And because I watch too much Food Network and the cooking channel, you know, I have to be like the celebrity chefs. And I thought this would be great because it has the gold top, and there's actually some covering, some plastic covering, guys, just to keep it look nice. I'm just pulling it off so you can get a better view of it. I have 2 of these, and I thought this would be great to like have one for salt and one for pepper in the kitchen, and I could kind of like be like, you know, my favorite celebrity chefs, and like have a little sprinkle of this and then go to my next jar, have a little sprinkle of that. So that was what I was thinking when I bought these. But I know it's going to get used, but that's what that was the exact purpose I bought it for. So I know I'm extra. I know I'm extra. But I picked this up, and let me check my phone. Let me tell you guys what I paid for this as an add-on. As an add-on, this one cost me $15 as an add-on for the set for the Z Gallery, and it is made by Z Gallery. And if you are not familiar with Z Gallery, they are a high-end decor / furniture place. So if you like bougie stuff, you like mirror stuff, you like high-end looking stuff in your house to give your house that rich feeling, Z Gallery is it. And I love going on their website, like browsing stuff, and I try to find stuff on clearance because I don't want to pay that much money. But anywho, let's move along. So that is the last of our add-ons. Let's get into these mystery bags, right? The summer refill mystery bundle was $14.99. The summer surprise skincare bundle was $24.99, and the regular mystery bundle is $29. So now that we have that covered, let's get started. So I'm going to start off on what is considered the regular mystery bundle. So we'll start off with that one. This is the mystery bag that I have here. So let's get started on this one here. The first thing I pull out is a Summer and Rose product here. So let's pop this open. I think I might know what this is, but let me confirm it. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is nice. So this is Take Me With You. This is a traveling jewelry case. I love the color here. It's like leather. Is this real leather? It does not say. Yeah, it must not be real leather because it would have said so. But this is how it comes. It's very pretty, and they have a little tassel here on the side. Let me see if I can rip that off so I can show you guys. This is so cute. And it still has paper here, but you know what it is. So let's pop this open and see what this looks like. This is really nice. I like the way this is, very compact. So we do have a mirror, which I'm going to cover up so I don't blind you guys, but this is what the inside of it looks like. I think that's nice. So you got room for your rings. You got different little compartment for earrings or a necklace or something to go in there. And I think that's nice. A nice quick weekend trip. You could just grab your stuff really quick. Or even for the week if you don't wear that much jewelry. I think that'll really be nice. And then you have the mirror, which I'm trying to cover up so I don't blind you. And I think this is really cool for the amount of money. That's really nice. Our next item is what company is this? Pure Handcrafted Natural Beauty Care. This is the Lemongrass Body Nectar. This is an ultra nourishing bath and body oil. Okay, I love the smell of lemongrass. I wonder if it smells like lemongrass too. Lemongrass smells so nice. It's a nice lemongrass color for sure. And let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, I gotta pop the plastic off. Oh, it smells like lemongrass now. Now I smell the lemongrass. And yes, a loud scent of lemongrass. If you don't like lemongrass, this probably ain't gonna be for you. But let's see how this works. Oh, this feels really nice. I like this. This is nice. It's not really that heavy. But I feel like it does a good job of giving your skin some coverage. This would be great for, I think, if you first step out of the shower and your skin's a little damp, to kind of put this on. This would be really nice. So this is Sensual Aromas. This is their Lemongrass Body Nectar, which is a ultra nourishing body and bath oil. Hey, looks like we got jewelry to go with the jewelry case. Let's see what this is here. And Jennifer, is it Zuner Jewelry? I think it's Jennifer Zuner. I could be wrong if I'm pronouncing her name incorrectly. I'm sure somebody will let me know in the comments. I have a habit of butchering people's names, so don't take it personal. So this is the jewelry that we received. I think that's very nice. So this is a necklace, and what is it, real gold? Is it fake? Does it say? It does not say, so I'm assuming this is fake. So this is just costume jewelry, but this is a necklace. It has a little star on it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a little star right here. And on both sides, it's like two little gold stars right there. So I think that's cute. Let's go on. Is this the last thing? This is the last thing. So we have Fortify. This is a natural bacteria fighting skincare. Okay. So these are rejuvenating and firming under eye pads. Can always use those. So let's see what they look like. Oh, they give you a couple of packs too. So you get 5 pairs of the under eye pads in the box. So I think that's pretty nice. Guys, let me know what you thought of this mystery bag. This is the regular one here. I thought it was pretty good. So we got jewelry, we got under eye pads, we got a jewelry box, and we have a body oil. So I think that's really nice. So we'll hit to the next one, right? So guys, our next bag is going to be the summer bundle for the mystery bundle. So let's see what's in here. And we only got 3 products in here. And again, this was like $14.99 for this one. So I'm going to start off with the first one. I have the Beauty Crop. And this is the Fabulous Flocking Lashes. So this must be a mascara. It is waterproof tubing mascara. I'm not familiar with them at all, actually. I've never heard of this company. This is how it comes. I can always use waterproof mascara. I hope it's a good one. It says it's smudge proof, no parabens, no mineral oils, no phthalates, nourishing with argan oil and jojoba, suitable for contact wearer lenses. Okay, so that's a plus. So I should definitely be able to use it. Can always use a new mascara, so no complaints. The next product is a Milk Makeup product. I like their stuff. Is this a mask? I like their mask. Oh, it is a mask. This is the Watermelon Brightening Mask. So I believe this is the one that kind of comes in like the push-up stick. Let's see if I am correct. I am. So I like this one. I love these because I feel like you're putting on a mask, but it's a little bit less messy because you just use the stick and you kind of twist the bottom and twist it up. I really do enjoy these by Milk Makeup, and I'm really glad that I got this because I think I only have a little bit left in the one that I'm currently using. So this is a great time to have a replacement. So that's awesome. And then this other product we got, what is this? It's made by Caravan, Design Well Travel. Is this like a travel blanket or something? What is this? Let's see. This is, what is this? Oh, it's a rug. Due to the nature of this rug, each piece is unique. Okay, so you could wash it, don't dry clean it, and you would just line dry. So it's a rug, an actual rug. Let's see. Let me pull it out of here. I want to open it. I might have to get some scissors if I can't pop it. Okay. Looks like we got it. Oh, it's an actual rug. Wow, big dang. So this is a rug, guys. You can always use rugs. This is kind of great. I've never received a rug before from them. How neat. So this is the rug. So that is our summer bundle. I say for $14.99, I think it costs. I'm pretty happy with what came in here. I can use a rug. May not be my style, but I figure we can find somewhere to use it. So definitely make good use of this. So that's pretty neat. So guys, this is the last mystery bag. Here we have 2 bags, and I have the skincare mystery bag. So let's check this one out and see what's in here. So guys, we have the Zoe Azalea. This is the Jade Roller along with the Go Shao, I think it's pronounced, face massager. So it tells you on the back how to use it, and I have like probably 1 or 2 of these already. So this is like I have actually both pieces already. But these are great for like spa day, especially like if you're kind of stressed. This Go Shao is great to kind of use it as a facial massager to kind of take some of the stress away from you, as well as helping you kind of firm up the skin and pull it in a direction that you prefer it to look like. So I think this is pretty cool that we got a set from Zoe Azalea with the Go Shao and the Jade Roller. I think that's pretty cool. Great spa day accessory. The next item I have CS Muyai. I don't know. Alright, another one I'm butchering the name. So it's it looks like CS Mo or Moai. Okay, this is a refreshing and papaya and strawberry seed scrub facial mask. I love facial masks, so this is good. Made for young, delicate skin. Really? Okay, well, my skin's going to be young and delicate, so it says it's designed to hydrate and balance while gently scrubbing away impurities. This unique blend of papaya, sugar, and strawberry seeds provides a refreshing treat to the skin. So that's nice. Let's see what it looks like outside of the box. So this is it's outside of its packaging, and I think that's pretty cool. And our very last item that's in here, I have a Dr. Brandt product, and this is the Clean Biotic. This is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. So this dissolves stubborn impurities, helps replenish skin moisture, and maintain skin's pH balance. Okay. I have not used this product by Dr. Brandt. I have I think this Clean Biotic brand, this line, I have maybe another mask or something from this line, but I haven't used this. So that'd be pretty cool. So in review for the final one, we have, and just so you guys can see what it looks like, I'm sorry. This is the product outside of the packaging. So we have Dr. Brandt's product here, which is a cleanser with chlorophyll. We have a mask that helps exfoliate. And we also have our Jade Roller and Goshao facial tools here. So that is our skincare bundle, and I thought that was pretty cool. I think this was what, $14.99 or something. So that's not bad. So guys, in review, we went through 3 bags and add-ons. Let me know which items were your favorite, which ones did you think were duds, and which ones did you wish you had. So guys, thank you for joining me today and watching me unbag 3 mystery bags from FabFitFun and my add-ons. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, if you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, it does help my small channel here on YouTube grow, and it does put my content in the hands of other people just like you who enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day. And until next time guys, bye!